Hop into the 2021 Nissan Rogue Sports. Here's a stylish, efficient Rogue that has the features you need to stay on top of today's demanding lifestyle. This can-do crossover anticipates your wants and needs with a quiet, comfortable ride in a spacious, well-equipped cabin. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, stability control. Get the comfort you want and the efficiency you need in this handsome Rogue. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.